Trading 212 allows you to deactivate your account permanently, but true data deletion is limited by legal retention requirements, for example, several years for regulatory reasons. Closing affects all account types: Invest, CFD, ISA. You cannot close just one. The process is irreversible. Deactivated accounts cannot be reactivated, though you can open a new one, possibly with the same email via support. Prerequisites: essential. Sell all investments and shares. Withdraw all free funds to your bank. Zero balance required. Resolve any open positions, pending orders, or fees. Steps to close: open the Trading 212 app or web platform and log in. Tap the menu, 3 lines, usually bottom or top. Go to Settings. Select My Account. Account Details. Scroll to Close Account or Deactivate Account. Confirm the action, may require password or PIN verification. The platform processes the closure. Instant if conditions met. Support may assist if issues arise.